Hello everyone. In this video, we are exploring into the world of system calls in Linux, a fundamental concept in operating systems and Linux programming. So let's see system calls in Linux. System calls bridge user programs and kernel services. They are vital for Linux OS and functionality, enabling programs to request privileged operations safely and efficiently. What are the system calls? Kernel operations. The kernel operations are the functions that trigger critical kernel tasks. Hardware access. The hardware access allows programs to use privileged resources like files and sockets. Security. It protects system integrity through controlled access. Software interrupts. Implemented as interrupts to safely switch contexts. Common system calls in Linux operating systems. Read, write, open and close. First, read. Read system call is used to read the file data. It returns bytes read or -1 on error. Write. The write system call writes data to a file. It returns bytes written or error. Open. The open system call opens file and returns descriptor or failure. Close. The close system call closes file descriptor. It confirms success or reports error. Let's see more system calls. Execv system call runs new program replacing current processes. Fork system call creates a child process with unique ID. Exit system call terminates a process cleanly. Wait system call waits for child to finish, returns its ID. Networking system calls. Socket. The socket system call creates a new socket descriptor for communication. Bind. The bind system calls assigns local address to a socket. Listen. The listen system call prepares socket to accept client connections. The accept system call accepts an incoming connection and creates a new socket. So let's see how system call works. First, user call. User program evokes library function, then prepare call. Arguments for system call are set up, then interrupt. Trigger software interrupt to enter kernel mode, then kernel handling. Kernel processes the request and returns results, and finally return switch back to user space with response. System call numbers in Linux operating system. Read system call is have a number 0, write system call have a number 1, open system call have a number 2, close system call have a number 3. Each call is identified by a unique number. These numbers vary by architecture. Summary. Essential interface. System calls connect user space and kernel space. Security and control. They enforce system integrity and control access. Developer insight. Understanding them aids debugging and performance tuning. These are the most common system calls in Linux operating system. Thank you.